One of the other interesting things that we've learned so far is how to create snip images out of what we see on our web page. We can come and use the Snip tool to take a picture of any page that's out there, including detailed pictures of small areas instead of just a full-size screen. So how we do this is I already have my Snip tool located on my lower toolbar area, but if I didn't, I would just go into my Start menu and do a search for Snipping Tool. SNIP is all I typed. It pops up. I can then click on it to open it. And from here, I have the options to do a freeform snip, a rectangular snip, a window snip, or a full screen snip. A freeform snip means I can literally make a fun little puzzle piece shape out of my page. If I want to create a rectangular snip, it makes me a square or rectangle. We could just drag it around things. If I wanted to create a window snip, it just shows what's inside of this red line, which often does not include the toolbar. So let's go ahead and take a window snip. And this is what we get right here. Okay, there it is. We can draw on our snips. You can see how it cut off half of our toolbar at the bottom. We can draw on our snips. We can highlight things. We can erase the things that we have done, which is kind of nice. From here, we can copy it, we can send our snip via email, or we can save it. In order to save our snip, we just hit the File, Save As. This allows us to name our snip. So this is going to be called Practice Snip. And I want to make sure that it is saved as a JPEG file. Yours might say it is a PNG file, a portable network graphic. By using this drop down, I can choose a JPEG. I can then save it into my library. And then click Save. And now I know where it lives. If at any time I need to access it, I would just come down into my library. Go into my CWI folder, my CISO 101 folder, and then into my Unit 1 folder, and here it is. This is why we create these folders, to help you stay organized. And that is how we use the snipping tool.